Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You guys, I kind of forgot about this box. Macy's Beauty Box is here for August. I've been a fairly new subscriber. I've only gotten a couple boxes. I tend to forget about this box. So I opened it up, but that's as far as I got. I got to get a little farther. I already see a headband for Mask Monday, right? Okay. We've got our, you get generally a coupon, $5 off, could be $10 off. This is a $5 off coupon code. It says find your skin bliss. Scan the QR code to learn about each product's ingredients, benefits, application, and more right from your phone. $5 off your next $20 or more beauty purchase. Valid in store or online through, 9/22. So that's nice. Okay, so first item. This is great for washing your face, doing Mask Monday. Looks nice. I wonder how big it is. Sometimes when I get them, they're like super tight around the head because apparently I have a large head. But this looks really nice. It kind of has that terry cloth look to it. So that's cool. Here's the rest of the items. Let's see what we got. At least it's nicely wrapped up in some tissue. And it's pink tissue. All right, so you're gonna get like deluxe beauty sizes and most of this stuff. Obviously the headband is full size, but first item that rolled across the table is Kiehl's Super Multi-Corrective Soft Cream, quarter of a fluid ounce or 7 milliliters. Let's see, Super Cream, something or another, something multi-corrector. I'm sorry, it's super reflective, you guys, off my ring light. Yeah, well, okay, that's what it looks like. You know, it's a sample size, right? Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, there you go. So a little skincare. There's just a mild scent to it, but it doesn't feel like it's like a perfumey fragrance or anything. So that's cool. Super Multi-Corrective Soft Cream. Interesting. Soft cream is rather ambiguous. Then we've got this product here. Let's see. Made in Korea. Ooh. Y'all, white text on a light blue background is not appreciated. Kopari Moisture Whipped Ceramide Cream. Ooh, okay. You apply a dime-sized amount to the face after cleansing and toning. Can be used day and night for ultimate hydration. KopariBeauty.com. 0.7 ounces or 20 milliliters. Let's open it. Nice. It has a nice little seal on it, so that's awesome. I do like that a lot. I'll use that. I don't mind a ceramide cream. I'm starting to get a lot of skincare accumulating, but at least it's small stuff. I still have so many like tiny of these little itty bitties all over the place. They're just so easy to put into like a drawer and just shove them in the back and forget about them. I'm trying to go through them all, but honestly, I'm not doing a very good job. Okay. Ooh, this isn't such a bad box this month. 2 masks. So to go with our headband, Diana Madison Beauty, the Glow Factor Rose Hip Seed Oil Hydrating Face Sheet Mask. So this is the first one. That's awesome. It says it is natural and clean, vegan and cruelty-free, paraben and dye-free. All right. Made in Korea. Nice. So it's first mask. Second mask, Skin Gym Red Carpet VIP Gold Foil Face Mask. Bakuchiol and Super Hydra Complex. 1 mask. Where was it made? Where was it made? Says Los Angeles. Is there anything else? Oh no, here it is. Made in Korea. So this is also Korean skincare. Here we go. Cool. Better start than some of the last boxes. And then we've got a little Lancome. A little Lancome. 1 unit. Is it going to let me read it through the bag? Lancome's Clarifique. Pro Solution Resurfactant Illuminator Chartreuse with 10% PHA. I'm trying to read it through the bag. I don't want to take it out of the bag right now. Niacinamide French Beech Bud Extract, clinically tested. So it's a serum for your face, a lot of skincare. So that's cool, little dropper. I'm not going to take it out of that yet. The other thing we have are 2 fragrances. You know, of course, Macy's always calls themselves your fragrance destination, so it's nice. This is Valentino's Donna, Born in Roma. Okay. I don't think I've ever smelled this one. Let's pop it open. Born in Roma, Eau de Parfum, a couture Floriental Jasmine Trio twist with an overdose of woods. Okay, that'll be interesting. Well, we're going to try it on the skin. Ooh. I smell the jasmine, which immediately makes me like it. Not bad. Not bad. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. The only reason why I put it on is it's the jasmine. I don't mind that. Not a bad smell. That would be one I might consider. This is My Way from Giorgio Armani. I'm pretty sure I've got either tried this, have it in my like scent box stuff. So it's My Way by Giorgio Armani. Pretty sure I've tried this before. Let's see what it says. My Way, orange blossom from Egypt, tuberose from India, iris from France, and vanilla from Madagascar. Right now I'm thinking I'm not going to like this because it's very floral. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to smell it now that I sprayed my Valentino. I like the Valentino, you guys. Okay, I'm going to need to go in on a piece of paper, probably spray it away from me, and then move my arm that has that fragrance on it, because it's quite potent, the Valentino is. So I did spray it on here. Very floral. Maybe I'll put another little spritz. Ooh, got it good that time. My gosh. Look at, I've already used 2 little spritzes, and I've already used like half the jar or the bottle or the spritzer. This is an almost unsmellable scent. It's very light. It's not bad. I actually don't mind it. I just don't think I would buy it. Ooh, and I just stuck it on my nose. That's awesome. I don't mind the smell. It's so light that I think I would be just constantly reapplying it. I have a feeling that some people would say this tends to smell a little old lady-ish, although it doesn't have that old lady powder, which would be something that I would kind of label as an old lady smell. But it's not like rose with powder. It's not bad. I just think it's so light, and I had to spray so much on here. I think I would be concerned that it would, you'd just use a lot of it. You'd go through it. So it's My Way from Giorgio Armani. And if you want to see, I guess, the bottle that it would come in, it would look like that. So honestly, two decent scents. One I definitely like a lot. I like this Valentino, and there's the bottle from Valentino. I just think this one, it's such a light scent, you're going to be reapplying it over and over and over again. Now, that said, it's only swatched on paper. So it took a couple sprays to me to really be able to smell it, whereas this one was instant. So not a bad box. This is, I think, is this my 3rd, you guys? So I got to go back and look. It's either my 3rd or 4th month. The first couple of months were kind of but you're always going to get some fragrances, and I've got a bunch of fragrances sitting here. I mean, MACY'S says they're your fragrance destination. Couple of skincare little tinies, but you know, you'll get them used up pretty quickly. And then the Lancome small one as well. This will probably last a little longer because it's a serum. But nice, two sheet masks. That's awesome. And then the headband with the sheet mask. So that's pretty nice. So less than $20, you know you're going to get sample sizes, right? I mean, this is pretty rare from everything I've seen. Most of the stuff's going to be in like sample or deluxe sample sizing. So kind of small, very similar to like the Ipsy base glam bag, right? So yeah, what do you guys think? For me, this is my choice of the month. I have definitely had months of fragrances that I've gone, nope, but I like that Valentino, and maybe I already have it. I don't remember having Valentino Donna, though. This one, I feel like I've come across the My Way, so, but I'm not unhappy this month, which is good, because the first 2 months I was kind of meh on it, but I'll keep this box for a while, I think. We'll see how it goes going into fall. Hopefully it'll get a little better going into the holiday season, but if this was standard, like if you were getting like a full size and a couple of, you know, single sheet masks and things, I think it'd be pretty great. But it's the little things like when you get like 3 or 4 of these that you're like, really? That's why I don't subscribe to Ipsy's Glam Bag anymore. Is I for years got that and it was just, I have these everywhere, you guys, these little itty bitties that I'm still trying to get rid of. In fact, I had so many at one point. I put them together in like a huge bag and took them to the women's shelter up in the city of Madison, which is the capital of Wisconsin, and dropped off just a ton of stuff to the women's shelter because I was just drowning in all this like sample stuff. I was getting like the Allure box, which had a bunch of these in it, getting Ipsy. It's just getting so much in samples. I was getting Glossy box. So I kind of canceled all those and took a lot of that stuff, like I said. So if you're kind of drowning in it and you're share it with friends or family or whatever, but don't forget about those lady shelters as well. It's makes you feel a little good to help out women who are maybe, you know, trying to get away from like domestic abuse or just in a bad situation. So okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. I'm not at all unhappy. I'm pretty happy with this box. So let me know your thoughts and have a great day. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.